Hey guys, Surprise Eggs and Sweets here, and as I said before, we will have Princess Sofia unpack one of the surprise eggs, and this is a Kinder Surprise Egg from the Maxi edition, so it's a giant surprise egg with surprises from Hello Kitty in there. So Princess Sofia, get started and unpack the egg. Unpacking the egg. All right, let's open it. Okay, there it is, Princess Sofia. So let's have a look inside. All right. So which Hello Kitty do we have in here? It's Hello Kitty sitting at a coffee table with some nice coffee or tea and some ice cream. So let's have a look. Here is the Hello Kitty. And here we have the coffee table. Let's have a look how we have to put this together. So the coffee table goes in here, and then Hello Kitty's chair. So here she goes. So Hello Kitty and Princess Sofia could have a nice coffee break together. Princess Sofia has to sit on her dress though. And we also have some things they could eat and drink, like an ice cream or a big cake, some lemonade, some milk. So they could enjoy a really good time here. Alright guys, see you soon with some more episodes with Princess Sofia and Surprise Eggs. Bye bye!